Hey guys, today we're making these amazing mini little macarons. They're so cute and come out just perfect. If you're making this recipe for the first time, it's super easy to follow and it's just an amazing recipe. They're super delicious and will come out perfect every time if you just follow the recipe. Okay, so we're going to start off by weighing our egg whites, and we weigh it so that we get a perfect measurement. That will make the recipe much easier and better. Make sure you don't get any egg yolk with your egg whites or else they won't whip up. Once you've gotten all your egg whites, then you can measure out your sugar. And once you've gotten your sugar in your bowl, then you can set that to the side. Into a separate bowl, you're going to add in your sift, and then you're going to add in your icing sugar. Now again, I'm measuring this to get a precise measurement. And once you've gotten your icing sugar, then you can add in your almond flour. And then you want to start to sift this, and it might take some time, but just be patient and carry on. We want super smooth macarons, that's why we sift it. Once it's all sifted, then you can set it to the side, and with your egg whites and sugar, you're going to beat this with your electric mixer until it reaches stiff peaks. It should look like this. Then you can stop beating, and at this stage you can add in whatever color you like. Here I'm just adding in some electric pink, and of course you can use whatever you like. And then just mix this with your electric mixer until it's all nicely combined. And if you do want a darker color, then just add in some more color. Once it's well combined, then you can stop mixing. And then you want to sift your almond flour and icing sugar once again. This is just to ensure that there are no lumps and you'll get super smooth macarons. And now you're going to start to fold this very gently. And this is where you can make or break your macarons. You need to mix this gently until it forms a lava consistency. Now here, this is too thick and the batter just falls right off and it's super thick. Just continue to mix this until the batter falls off your spatula smoothly and leaves the same shape. At this stage, it's still not ready, so I'm going to continue to mix it. And now the batter is at the right consistency. Make sure you don't over mix this or under mix this. Once your batter is ready, then you will take your piping bag, and just to make it easier to fill, I'm going to put it in a tall glass. And then you just want to pour all your batter into your piping bag. Once it's all in your bag, then you can lift it up and then just push all of the batter to the top. Now of course you could use a round piping tip if you wish, but I've just cut off a small piece at the end and I'm going to start piping it. You can use a silicone mat to help you. And just pipe them and then swirl it on the top, like this. Make sure they're not too big because they will spread out in the oven. And then just bang this to get rid of any air bubbles. And then let this sit out for about 30 minutes to develop a skin. And then you can bake this at 140 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure they don't go brown on the top. And once they're out of the oven, you must let them cool down completely and then take it off the mat. And of course you could use some baking paper for this as well. Then you can make your ganache by pouring your cream into your pan and then heating that up on the stove until it comes to a boil. Next, add in your chocolate to a separate bowl and then pour over your hot cream and let this sit for about 5 minutes and then mix it up until smooth. You can let this sit in the fridge to thicken a little bit and then place it into a piping bag like this, and then just pipe it onto your macaron shells and then place another one that's the similar size over the top and repeat with all your macarons. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make these delicious macarons. If you follow the recipe, it will be easy for you to make these and they'll be just super delicious. They're so cute and just amazing for any party. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.